Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your old rusty tools go from this to this in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to use the Dremel 3000 to do this, but you can use whatever Dremel you want. You can even use the Dremel Stylo because power is not that important in this task. So let's check out the bits that we are using for this task. So these are all the bits that I've been using to clean up my old, dirty and rusty tools. The ones that I have found to be the best are the sanding discs, either at 180 grit or 240 grit. Now the sanding discs leaves a really clean, smooth, shiny surface and they remove rust really effectively. But these other bits can also be helpful to use. The metal brush will not leave as smooth of a surface as the sanding discs, but it is really great for coming into like nooks and crannies and places that are hard to get to. The sanding drums are really effective at removing large amounts of rust, but they will leave a mark and scratch marks on your tools if you use too coarse of a grit. And also you can use the buffing pads. Let's get started cleaning. Just very quick before we start, use a dust mask and some safety goggles. Let's go. I'm setting my Dremel to about 20,000 RPMs, but you can use whatever RPM you want. But I have found that using faster RPMs are better when doing this kind of work. Just experiment a little bit and see what works for you. For the hard to get places like the nooks and crannies and close to the shaft, I just use the steel brush instead because it's just way easier to access with it. And then you can just finish it off with a polishing buff. And here is the end result, and I'm really happy with it. Now there are a couple of dents around the tool, but there's not much we can do about that. We even managed to get back some of the old writing that was on the tool. So if you have some old tools laying around in your shed, give this method a try and tell me in the comments how it worked. That was about it for the video. See you next time.